Hi guys, I'm really excited because I just received this power bank for reviewing purposes, and I think it's nice because first of all it's airline approved, so you can take it with you to any airplane trip you wanna take, and I think it's gonna be a perfect option to bring with you in any travel. Okay, so let's take it out of the box. Okay, the packaging is really nice. As you can see, it has some nice colors, and this is the main unit. Okay, it comes in this little bag. And as you can see, it's nice because it has this screen when we can see how much battery is left. We have 3 ports. 2 are inputs and outputs of the Type-C entrance, and the other one is just an output of the USB Type-A, which I think it's a great option. You can charge different devices at the same time, which is great. And something I find quite nice is that when you double press the power button, you turn on this little flashlight that it's right here, which I think it's a nice option, and having around will make sometimes things easier. Okay, you also get this travel bag, which is really soft, and this USB type A to type C charger, okay, which you can use it either way with the type A port or into the type C port, okay, which I think it's a great option. So let's go ahead and test it out. I'm gonna test it with this cell phone, and well, I'm gonna plug it in. And immediately after I plug it in, the battery starts showing that it's charging the cell phone, and immediately the cell phone recognizes the battery, which I think is a great option. And overall, I think it's really nice. I like that it comes with this screen. That way you can, well, see how much battery you have left in the percentage, which I think it's a great option because that way you can charge it beforehand anything you wanna use it. And the travel bag, it's great. Okay, you can place it inside of it, and also the cable that comes included. Just close it up and take it with you wherever you wanna go, which I think it's great. And overall, I would really recommend it. See you guys.